Hey guys, and Merry Christmas. It is the 1st of December, which means this is the first episode of the Christmas series, which I have been looking forward to since last Christmas. These are fun to do, and to start it all out with is a Yale Don't Have a Key. Um, yeah, so not really anything that special about it. That's the keyway. Let's take a look and see if we can get it picked. That was a pick. And a tensioner, let's try. Click on 1, 2, left on 3, 4, 5. Back to 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, nothing, 5, nothing. Okay, that was a click on 4 this time, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and open. Haha! Not bad for the first episode of the Christmas series. Now let's lock it up again and get it onto the tree, which is not the best placement, but that is what I have. And as a star, we have the same lock as last year, that N-bout lock, sitcom style. So let's just put it right there. 23 nails yet to be filled with locks. Alright guys, let's get back on the table. And that's all you get for this first episode of the Christmas series for this year. There is one thing though, those of you that saw last year's episodes, the full series, or just some of them, remember there was music in the background. There is no music this year, so just to point that out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and hopefully I see you tomorrow.